Hello everyone. I hope you are sound and safe at your places. In this video, we are going to discuss about the questions of exercise 3.7. So here we have our question number 7. So what we have in our question number 7? Question number 7 is 3 tankers contain 403 liters, 434 liters and 465 liters of diesel respectively. Respectively means this is the first tanker, second tanker and then third tanker. Find the maximum capacity of a container that can measure the diesel of the 3 tankers exact numbers of times. So it can measure them means that is the factor which can measure these 3 respectively. So what we have to find? We have to find the HCF. So let's start to find the HCF of 403, 434 and 465. So here we have 403 and 434. 403 was the 403, 1, 3. Then this will become the divisor and we have to divide 403. 31 ones are 31, remainder is 9, bring down 3, 31 3s are 93. So what is the last divisor? 31. So that is the HCF of these two, 31. Now how to check with the third one? We will divide the third one with this 31. 31 ones are 31, remainder is 15, bring down 5, 31 5s are 155, so it is completely divisible. So 31 is the HCF. So our required answer which will measure in exact number of times is 31. Means 31 will divide these 403, 434 and 465 in exact number of times, means a proper divisibility is there. Now let's move to the next question. Question number 8 is find the least number, means the smallest number which when divided by 6, 15 and 18 leave remainder 5 in each case. Means when we divide that number by these 3 we have remainder 5 in each case. Now what to do? As we have to find the least number, so we will find the LCM. So LCM of 6, 15 and 18 is 2 3s are 6, 2 9s are 18. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, 3 3s are 9. Again by 3, 3 1s are 3 and then by 5, 5 1s are 5. Now LCM is 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 5s are 90. Means this 90 is completely divisible by 6, 15 and 18. But the question is it leaves remainder 5 in each case. So our required number is 90 plus 5, 95. Why we added 5? Let's check. When we divide this 95 with 6, 6 1s are 6, 3 is left, 6 5s are 30. 5 is the remainder. When we divide this 95 by 15, 15 6 are 90, 5 is left. When we divide this 95 with 18, 18 5s are 90, again 5 is left. Means that is the least number which when we divide by 6, 15 and 18 we are having remainder 5 in each case. So this is our question number 8. Now let's move to question number 9. Now what we have in question number 9? Question number 9 is find the smallest 4-digit number which is divisible by 18, 24 and 32. As we have to find the number which is divisible by these 3, means that number should be the multiple of these 3 numbers. And for that we have to find the LCM because LCM is the least common multiple. So LCM is 18, 24, 32. By 2, 2 9s are 18, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12. Again by 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 8s are 16. Again by 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. Again by 2, 2 2s are 4. Then by 2, 2 1s are 2. Then by 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. Then again by 3. So the LCM is 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. So when we multiply all these prime factors, we'll get 288. So this is the first multiple, but we have to find the 4-digit number, smallest 4-digit number. So all the further multiples are the multiples of this. So this is the first multiple for these three. Then we'll multiply this by 2, then by 3, then by 4. So when we multiply it by 2, we'll get 576. Then we'll multiply it by 3. Then we'll get 864. When we multiply this by 4, what we get? We get 1152. So we need smallest 4-digit number. So this is the first 4-digit number as the multiple. So this is the required answer of the question. So the required number is 1152 as it is the multiple of all these three numbers. That's it for this video. Thank you and have a nice day.